activities and recycling of illegal drugs influenced by those inside the Bucor who are already behind bars or PDLs but are still called drug lords, you cannot help but these issues will come about. And that is precisely why it has gone to the issue of recycling. We just want to clear the air also on the issue that has been being turned to a political scenario. Definitely, you are completely wrong when you say that, because the events that have been unearthed transpired in 2013. It doesn't have anything to do with the drug war of the present administration. It has had nothing to do with the present administration. And then, again, to quench everything else, in the Senate, the only committee that has motu proprio powers and is authorized to conduct any hearing concerning any public official or public event, anything at all under the sun, it is the Accountability of Public Officers and Investigations Committee, which is the Blue Ribbon Committee. In other words, the Blue Ribbon Committee can convene and call for an inquiry even without a resolution, a bill, or a privilege speech or anything to that effect. The Blue Ribbon can even convene for an inquiry just to find out how much you bought your ball pen if you're a public official. That's how it is. So for those who are not familiar with the Senate rules, my message is that zip it. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.